Well, do you love the flavor of wood-smoked barbecue, craving mouth-watering, slow-smoked meat?
Consumer Reports experts say you don't need to run out and buy a smoker. A few steps and your gas or charcoal grill can handle anything from beef brisket to pulled pork and chicken.
With grilling season in full swing, you might be wondering, how else can I use my grill? Paul Hope, Consumer Reports' dedicated grill master and fan of all things barbecue, says to try your hand at slow smoking on your grill.
Smoking imparts a really deep, rich flavor to food that you won't find from grilling alone. And foods that are smoked for many hours actually break down slowly and become really tender.
Of course, some grills are better suited for smoking than others. For example, charcoal and Kamado grills work well because you can just add wood chips or chunks into the charcoal at any point and get a nice smoky flavor. But even a gas grill that's great at indirect heating can handle the job. And enthusiasm for slow smoking has not gone unnoticed by manufacturers.
So a lot of manufacturers have noticed there's been a big spike in the interest in smoking, and what some gas grill manufacturers have started to do is actually build in integrated smoker boxes that you can fill with wood chips to smoke on a gas grill.
This Weber Summit S470 has a built-in smoke tray. However, CR says you don't need to spend nearly that much for a top performer. For a lot less money, this recommended Next grill from Home Depot outperforms the Weber when it comes to indirect cooking and temperature range. It doesn't have a dedicated smoker box, but here's a hack from CR.
For about $10, you can get an aftermarket smoker box at a home center and just add wood chips directly to that.
If charcoal is more your fuel of choice, CR says this barrel-style grill from Dynaglow makes smoking a cinch. This is Teresa Panetta.
So if you want to take your grilling to the next level, because I know you do.
Yes.
With a Kamado-style grill, CR also top-rated the Kamado Joe Classic Grill. It's not cheap, though. It's $1,200.
That one there was $2,100. That's some serious dough to drop on a grill. I like grilling, you know that, but so that one does come with a lot of features, make it a standout for smoking. And in their cooking test, it actually handled slow cooking a pork shoulder just as well as cooking a thin crust pizza. Have you done a pizza on the grill?
No. I just don't. It just doesn't seem right.
We're always like rushing at dinner break.
That's true.
We're lucky if we can get outside and grill it all.